Hey everyone, this is my end of weekend tech log. This weekend was all about DNS, security, automation, and refining my vSphere lab setup. I worked on integrating Windows Server 2025 as a DNS SOA, pfSense as a firewall, Pi-hole as a DNS sinkhole, and deploying vCenter, VCSA, on a well-structured network. It was a deep dive into local domain resolution, service dependencies, and security configurations. One of the biggest challenges was fully understanding the role of a local domain, redactedvault.corp, in a secure lab environment. Unlike a public domain, this one needed an internal SOA, start of authority, to ensure that vSphere services, authentication, and host lookups worked properly. By configuring Windows Server 2025 as the authoritative DNS and making sure pfSense forwarded queries properly, I eliminated hostname duplication issues and broken service dependencies, critical for vCenter. With DNS in place, I moved on to automating file management in the backend Python server. ChatGPT and I added a function to auto-sort vSphere coursework uploads into a dedicated folder, which means less manual work and more structured backups for my virtualization studies. This automation ensures vSphere-related materials are instantly stored and accessible. This weekend was all about building a reliable foundation for my vSphere lab while improving automation workflows. From understanding how start of authority ties into DNS and firewalls to making file management smarter, every step was a learning process. Key takeaway: DNS and security fundamentals are not just about setup, but about ensuring every service works together efficiently. I'm closing this weekend with a fully functional vSphere lab, an automated upload system, and a deeper understanding of DNS and start of authority. Let me know if you'd like a walkthrough of any part of the setup. All right, signing off. Until next time.